Look at our children. Look at Yazan. Look what agony they are enduring. Dozen more children who died of malnutrition have been identified, and many more have died and are dying in darkness and destitution. This has to stop. For God's sakes, this has to stop. Mr. President, our people are no lesser people. Our people are no lesser people, I repeat. Our children are not less worthy. Their lives are not less sacred. The dehumanization we have endured aims at making the killing of our people more acceptable. Mr. President, there is a reason why ethnic cleansing was possible in Palestine, why apartheid was possible in Palestine, why genocide was possible in Palestine. It is the certainty of the perpetrators that they will never be held accountable. Palestinian victims for decades were left to be killed and maimed, and displaced, and dispossessed, and denied their most fundamental rights, until the horror culminated with the massacres in Gaza.
And I now give the floor to the distinguished representative of Israel.
Hopeful we can get there, and we thank the Lebanese government and the people of Lebanon for their partnership in this critical endeavor.
والله الحمد لله.
استنى لا تروح عشان نودي، خليك تضل عشان نجري احنا بنجري يا احنا بنجري. ابعد يا ولد روحوا هيك.
ايش محمل؟ كم كيلو؟
10
من وين؟
البروشيتات.
يلا الله يعطيك العافية.
الله